Yo, what's going on, guys? So we have a little bit of exciting news, but don't get too excited just yet, right? But it is exciting because, as you know, we've been going back and forth, messing around with Meld Studios, OBS Studios, messing around with multi-streaming, setting up Atom Vertical, doing all that kind of cool stuff. And one of our things that we decided about Meld Studio that wasn't cutting it for us was that I couldn't use Atom Vertical. Well, you can't use Atom Vertical on Meld still, but they did add their own vertical canvas and multi-streaming setup right into the program. So you don't need a plugin. You don't have to go and download Atom Vertical and plug it in and add a dock and create all this stuff. All you have to do, hold on, let's check it out. Hold on, come over here. Come on, over here. All right, so once you're over here, you're going to see this right here, right? This is what your normal screen's going to look like. It's your single canvas. This is what you would usually use if you're not multi-streaming and you're just doing a regular horizontal stream and you don't have any need for the vertical canvas. Now, the reason that you would need a, like, even if you don't stream on TikTok or in any type of vertical layout, but you post clips from your streams, you're gonna want to set up this extra canvas so that you can set it up and record and clip stuff in vertical from your stream, just like you would use on Atom Vertical. But they added it right to this program. So let's check it out. Go into preferences. Once you click preferences, you're gonna find this right here. Main canvas and multi-canvas. So when you click multi-canvas, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna end up getting both canvases. So when you click on this one, you're now sourcing your layers for this canvas. When you come over here and click on this one, you're gonna be able to source your layers for this one. Now, one thing that I've noticed, it doesn't highlight what you're on. Like right now, you can't tell what screen I'm on, other than at the very bottom corner right here, you're gonna see this tab. So now when I switch to this one, it's going to switch over here. Now, if you have scenes and sources set up, you'll see a different color. You can actually set the color that you want to show. So already check this out. So right now we're in our main canvas. Let's put a display capture up, right? So it's going to give us this display window. And let's just pick, what do we want to pick here? Let's just go, we'll go with this monitor, right? Because it's going to double us all up. It's going to be crazy. It auto adjusted to the size. As you can see, it opened right to a full screen. But here's the next thing. Right now we go back over to here. Well, now there's nothing set up over here because you can now come over here, add another layer. We can add a display capture, and we can add the same capture that we have over here. Now you see it's highlighted in purple. When you come over here and click this, it's highlighted in blue. So right now, on your layers on the side, they're gonna all be highlighted in blue. That lets you know that those layers are on your full screen. And if you see anything that's highlighted in purple, that's everything that's gonna be on your horizontal screen. Now, this is incredible because ready, check this out. You come over here to this. You're going to click on this right here. Actually, I was already zoomed in on for you. Now we have our outputs, Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, virtual camera. You have all this stuff set up here. So you can actually go live and multi-stream with these set up and ready to go. Now, the one thing, two things. I don't see, I'm going to look into this a little bit more. I was just a little excited and I wanted to show you guys that this was here and this was out and the update's live and they added this because this is amazing. I cannot express to you how much I use the vertical formats while I'm streaming and creating clips and recording video, like just everything. Use it for everything. Just do it. It saves you a ton of time. Now, the one thing I don't see is when you go into the preferences, maybe we'll find this together. When you go into the preferences and you see your canvases here, hold on, let's see, I'm messing you all up here. All right, let's go into preferences. When we have multi-canvas on, it says create both horizontal and vertical content at the same time, right? Now, main canvas is here. It shows you what your canvas is. It's 1080p, 60 frames, hardware encoder. It shows you your bit rate for your vertical and your, I guess it's video for your horizontal and then your vertical bit rate as well. Your quality, your audio bit rate, stream settings, recording options, clipping output. Now, I don't see where it will determine which broadcast is being sent where. So if I wanted to multi-stream on Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok at the same time, and I want to use two of these in horizontal and two of these in TikTok. Oh, you know what though? You see this right here? Oh, I closed out of it. That's weird. Anyway, I have to go back to this. You see this button right here? This looks like a full screen, full screen, full screen. Let's see here. There you go. We figured it out together. So, as you can see now, Twitch full screen, YouTube full screen, TikTok horizontal. So that is one of my problems that we solved right here with you guys. All right, so that's how you do that. So if you want to figure out how to multi-stream and set up these canvases correctly, you're going to go down here, hit this edit, change it to your main canvas or your vertical canvas, and that's going to send whatever feed to that specific app. That's fantastic. That's great right there. Are you see that? You seeing this right here? Fantastic. Great job, Meld. Now, the other one thing, I had two things. Now I'm back to one. The recording output. It looks like, so right now I'm recording my full screen right now. I can go in here and I can change that to vertical. Perfectly fine. Okay, so now I'm recording my vertical. But why can I not record both at the same time? Because if I want to create a video, like right now, I'm recording this in horizontal and vertical on OBS Studios. So that when I pull this down, I can just clip my vertical clips into TikToks directly from this video with no editing, right? I just go in there, find the section I want, and I just clip it because it's already vertical. My camera's already set up. Everything's ready to go. This is set up perfectly, except for I can't record my full screen and my vertical canvas at the same time. That would be ginormous, because if I can decide that my stream settings go full screen or vertical depending on how I set these up, I wish, so see this add output button right here? I'm gonna show you that right there. See that add output button right there? I wonder if they can do an add record output. If we could add record output and then we could name this like record vertical, record horizontal, and you have two recording tracks. I feel like that's got to be possible. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe not a lot of people utilize recording in both vertical and horizontal at the same time to save a bunch of time on editing. Let me know. Do you guys record in both, or do you guys go ahead and like go back in and like mask your videos and do all this other kind of stuff? Now, in all fairness, when I record in OBS Studios, I have two 1920 by 1080 canvases recording at the same time, as well as the ADEM vertical. So I'm getting a full resolution camera video. I'm getting a full resolution like full screen display capture video, as well as a 1080 1920 vertical canvas being recorded. So I get three different recordings that I can then edit in any type of format that I could possibly want to do. So this is great if I could record both. And I know one thing I discussed was that I can't change this canvas size to a custom size. I can only do the presets. Whereas in OBS, I have a 3480 or whatever 1920 times 2 is. I think it's 3840, something like that, right? So not important. Anyway, I just want to be able to record both vertical and horizontal. I'm getting too far away on this topic. So let's get off that, right? All right. Great feature. Amazing. I am, real quick, before I go, I want to show you how I have my OBS Studio set up, just so you guys can kind of get a better idea of what I'm talking about. So let's take a look at this. Right now, you have camera, full screen, look straight out. That right there, full 1920 by 1080p. This display, full 1920 by 1080 display. This full 1080 by 1920 display. So let me show you what this looks like. Oh, you know what? I can't show you what it looks like until I stop. As you can see, I'm recording See, it's recording in full screen and recording in that 8 vertical window as well. So let me end this live right now. And then well, it's not live. I'm live, but you're not watching me live. So it's just I'm used to streaming, okay? YouTube's new to me. So give me a break. 1 second. Let me end this and I'm going to pull it back up. I'll be right back and I'll show you what this looks like once it downloads. All right, I told you I wouldn't be going long. All right, now let's check this out. So I closed the recording so that they would process and they would render into my file. So I have a file for OBS Studios. I have my recordings in here. Obviously, we're not going to look at all this, right? We've had a bunch of takes. So these two are the current recordings. These are old recordings. So let's delete that one. But they're out of there. All right, so now check it out. So my current two recordings are currently right now, as you can see, one of them is 231726, one of them is 231727 vertical. Those go together. As you can see, 0648, 0649 vertical. So now when I open this up, I'm not going to talk because you're going to hear me a bunch of times. Yo, what's going on, guys? So we have a little bit of exciting news, but don't get too excited just yet, right? But it is exciting. Perfect. Because see that? Already, as you know, we've been going vertical. Now we come over here. This is where it gets a little weird and kind of unnecessary. You really don't have to do this. This is really more for like if you didn't use vertical, you could set this up so that you can now adjust your camera like anywhere you want on your screen. I like to do it because then like I can like move my camera around while I'm talking and I'm not just like locked into one place. It also helps. I don't know how many times you guys have recorded the video, and what ends up happening is your camera isn't blocking what you're doing on your screen. But then when you get to edit your video, you realize that your camera, when you were recording, it's completely covering everything that you were doing. So now a way to prevent that is to film like this, right? So this is pretty sick, right? So now you're gonna see this full screen, and then you can just shift this. You're gonna keep your normal 1920 when you go into your editor, and then you can just shift your position to whatever screen you want. You're gonna duplicate this, right? 2 in, mute 1, good to go, right? You're gonna put in the first one as an overlay, so you can put that as your camera. So then you're just gonna shift your camera and then mask it, and you're gonna be able to drag it and position it wherever you want in your video. You could keyframe it so you move around as you're talking, whatever you wanna do. Then you can also keyframe it to come back in, come back out, come back in, and then it creates like a transition, kind of like Meld, where it doesn't actually leave the screen. You don't actually like cut to the next scene. It kind of just like fades back down to the smaller size and back up, which is pretty cool. So this would be super helpful if you didn't have 8 vertical. So if you don't have 8 vertical and you're not interested in 8 vertical, but you want to have a little bit more control over your edits of your recordings and how you want to do things, this is probably one of the more hidden features, little tips that a lot of people, I don't know if I know anybody using this setup. I just kind of messed around with it once I realized that I could use 8 vertical as a 1920 by 1080 full canvas. So I started recording a full canvas in 8 vertical of just my camera, and I started doing a full display capture in OBS Studios. And then I was like, wait, I was like, I could do a custom OBS. I was like, let me try this out. And lo and behold, it works. Now, if you want to see a video of like how this actually works in like an editor, just drop a comment. Let me know. Say, yo, let me see how this works in editor. I'll be happy to make some content out of showing you the process of pulling these two videos apart, because they are both full resolution. So when you zoom in on these and make them bigger, you're not really going to lose any quality. As if this camera of me was this big when I recorded it and I try and zoom in on my camera, you're going to end up getting some distortion because you already processed the video from OBS. So now you're just getting 2 full screens. So when you zoom in and zoom out, you're not going to get as much crusties. Yeah, that's right. But yeah, so I don't really have anything else to cover in this specific video other than this new feature on Meld, which is fantastic. You can set these up differently. You can set them up the same. You can record. I mean, I'm just rambling at this point. That's kind of what I do. So, yeah, I just feel like this was a great video. I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you this feature. And I also wanted to kind of show you how I have my OBS Studio set up and kind of just see what you guys think, how you guys are set up, and if you think this is going to help you. Does this change your mind? Are you going to start using Meld now that you can use verticals? And or do you like the OBS setup where you can kind of record all of your stuff at one time? and not have to pick and choose. If we can get a recording output button to add an extra recording, or just put in extra recording, and it's up to you to choose if you want to record one or the other. Maybe a record button on each side. I don't know if that's possible. Or like a hotkey record vertical, hotkey record horizontal. I think there's options here. I think there's options here for sure. So, but yeah, so let's get out of here, right? Let's get out of here. Go download Meld. Go download OBS Studios. Go mess around with them. Mess around with the settings. Let me know what you can't figure out, and I'll be glad to make some more content to help you guys out and get everything set up correctly. So, catch you on the next one. Peace out, guys.